Hey y'all, welcome to ASU News Update. I'm Aisha Morgan. Today we're taking you to Chicago for a historic celebration that brought together former presidents, entertainers, global leaders, and community members. The Obama Presidential Center has officially opened and is honoring the legacy of former President Barack Obama and former First Lady Michelle Obama. In our first segment, we'll look at the star-studded grand opening. Then we'll take you inside the purpose of the Presidential Center and explain what visitors can see, do, and experience. So let's get started.
Coming to you from the unsinkable Albany State University, home of the Rams, bringing you stories that matter, updates you need, and the news impacting your community. This is ASU News Update, and now your anchor, Aisha Morgan.
So Chicago became the center of national attention as the Obama family, celebrities, political leaders, and many more gathered for a grand opening of the Obama Presidential Center. The center was officially dedicated on June 18, 2026, before opening to the public on June 19th. Former President Barack Obama and former President First Lady Michelle Obama celebrated the milestone on Chicago's South Side, the city where the personal and political story began. According to NBC Chicago, the event attracted a long list of familiar faces: Malia and Sasha Obama, Oprah Winfrey, Steven Spielberg, Tyler Perry, Gabrielle Union, Dwayne Wade, John Legend, Chrissy Teigen, Jennifer Hudson, LL Cool J were some of the celebrities spotted at the celebration. The event also brought together political leaders like former presidents George W. Bush, Bill Clinton, and Joe Biden attended the ceremony, along with other political figures as well. Music was also a major part of the celebration. Some performers for the grand opening included Stevie Wonder, John Legend, Jennifer Hudson, and many more. The grand opening was more than just a celebrity event. It marked the beginning of a new chapter for a project centered around history, democracy, leadership, and community. Barack Obama made history as the 44th president of the United States and the nation's first African American president. But the Presidential Center is not designed to simply look back at his time in office. The bigger goal for the Presidential Center is to use the Obama's history to inspire people to believe they can create change in their own communities. So I know I'm talking about the grand opening of the Obama Presidential Center, but are you wondering what exactly is the Obama Presidential Center and what visitors can do there? Well, let's take a closer look.
Coming to you from the unsinkable Albany State University, home of the Rams, bringing you stories that matter, updates you need, and the news impacting your community. This is ASU News Update, and now your anchor, Aisha Morgan.
Located in Chicago's historic Jackson Park, the Obama Presidential Center is a 19-acre campus. One of the main attractions is the museum. The museum has 4 levels of exhibits. Visitors can explore the story of President Barack Obama and Michelle Obama, the Obama presidency, democracy, and the people and the movements that helped shape their journey. Visitors can also see a replica of the Oval Office and visit the Sky Room, which offers views of Chicago and Lake Michigan. But the Presidential Center is more than a museum. The campus includes public spaces, gardens, arts, recreation, community programming, and a branch of the Chicago Public Library. There are spaces where families can gather, young people can learn, and visitors can participate in programs focused on arts and culture, leadership, democracy, food, community, sports, and well-being. Most of the campus is free and open to the public, while the museum is a ticketed experience. Obama Presidential Center was created around the belief that ordinary people can work together to create extraordinary change. For young visitors, walking through the exhibits about America's first African American president may be more than a history lesson. It can be a visual reminder of what leadership, representation, and possibility can look like. The center also gives Chicago residents a new public gathering space for education, recreation, community, and leadership. From a star-studded grand opening to a campus focused on education, leadership, and community, the Obama Presidential Center is officially welcoming visitors in Chicago. The grand opening brought celebrities, former presidents, performers, and community members together or a historic celebration. The bigger question is, what happens next? What future leader will walk through the doors of the Obama Presidential Center? And how will the lessons of the past inspire change in the future? For now, my name is Aisha Morgan. This is ASU News Update. Thank you for watching, and go Rams.
Thank you for watching ASU News Update from the unsinkable Albany State University, bringing you stories that matter, the updates you need in the news impacting your community. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.